Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sportage tail light, full guide. Start by opening the hatch and removing the interior trim to access the tail light assembly. Unplug the electrical connector carefully and label it if needed. Remove the visible 10 mm bolts holding the housing and gently pull the assembly out. Place bolts in a small container and inspect the socket and wiring for damage before reinstalling. In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sportage tail light, full guide. Use a plastic trim tool to pry the interior panel away where the tail light sits and remove any visible clips or screws. Keep all hardware grouped so you won't lose pieces during reassembly. Take your time and inspect each clip for damage, replacing any broken clips before reinstalling the panel to maintain a secure fit. In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sportage tail light, full guide. With trim removed, press the connector tab and pull the wiring harness free, then use a 10 mm socket to remove the mounting bolts. Support the housing with your hand and wiggle it outward to disengage clips without bending the metal. Set the assembly on a soft surface and inspect bulb sockets for corrosion before replacing bulbs or reassembling to ensure proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.